Hello. Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Katie Eves, and this channel is called A Krave-Worthy Life. If you're new here, hello. If you're returning, thank you. You're the best. Today, I'm here look crazy because I'm about to re-dye it. So if you saw my last vlog about a week ago, I attempted to turn the ends of my hair pink. They are pre-lightened to probably, I don't know the real level, but they're like a very medium blonde, so maybe like a level 8. But anyways, this hair dye looks super pink, right? And I want like a vivid hair color on the ends of my hair. But this turned out to just be kind of like just glow in the dark. And it's very, like, it didn't do anything. So, like, the color of my freaking hair tie is more pink than the ends of my hair. So, this is a week later. I do have dirty hair. I've been to the gym today. And I'm going to put this in my hair and then go take a shower. So, you see how, like, it literally didn't do anything? Sorry. I needed to yawn. But yeah, so this one is called Cotton Candy Pink from Manic Panic. Oh gosh, this is crazy looking. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going to probably see if I can return it. If not, just toss it. I don't know what I want to do with it. But I got a different Manic Panic color that's hot pink. And I've seen reviews. I know that this one will be far more pigmented and will actually take to the blonde. So that's what we're gonna do today. I didn't bring my brush in here, but I'm just gonna section my hair off and then put my gloves on and get to going. So thanks for tuning in. And then of course we're gonna see the results in just a minute. I don't think I'm gonna put petroleum jelly on. I don't really need to. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna section my hair. Okay, I have an idea. I'm gonna do like 4 sections so that I can get the ends of my hair. And then, let's see. Definitely go watch the other vlog from last week to see like how this happened, basically. I had yellow hair before. I still have some yellow hair dye. I'll probably rotate between the Cosmic Yellow and this hot pink for the next couple months. And then my goal is this summer to go get it professionally done. Because I'm just kind of like not feeling like doing my own bleach. And my hair has grown out so much, I want to get it done right. Because for a while I was just bleaching my roots, doing it myself. But I really just want to have somebody else do it for me. Okay, so we've got 2 sections. They don't have to be super straight because I'm trying to get comfy in my chair. Okay. I'm just doing the ends. And then this is my dedicated hair dye shirt, so. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I can leave my glasses on because I'm not going to put the dye up any further. I think this is going to turn out really nice. Hopefully. Yeah, because my hair is like brown, right? And then with pink ends, I'm thinking for Valentine's Day, that's gonna be really cute. And I could do like fun makeup. I haven't been doing my makeup a lot lately, so I need a reason to get back into it. Like chocolate covered cherry, strawberry kind of vibe. Okay, we're good. Oh, now it's like staticky from this glove. I should have brought my freaking hairbrush in here, but I was like, no, I don't need it. Okay, this is gonna be so cute. Is this one also in the black light? Holy crap. Have I just always... Are they all glowing? Bro, I had yellow hair from Manic Panic since October. Since Halloween. And it has been neon, like, reactive. Wow. I guess I'm going to have to get the black light out again. And show... I have it right here, thankfully. I haven't cleaned my room yet from the last video. And it's kind of a mess. Anyways. I didn't know they were all freaking blacklight reactive. That's fun. I need to go clubbing. I need a reason. Oh, this one doesn't have a little tab that I can grab. But okay, whatever. I think I can get it. Yeah. It's electric pink. That's so pretty. So the reason I'm choosing pink for my hair color this time is because I have done every color in the rainbow except pink and orange. So I want to do pink now in the first quarter of 2024. And then I want to do some kind of orange fire hair color in the summer. And then I haven't decided for the second half of the year. Here we go, here we go, here we go. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. Panic. I am pretty haphazard with this. The yellow, I was also treating it like this. Like I just slap it on where I want it to go and mix it around. Like I don't section that much with this. Yay. Okay, I think this is gonna give me the results I really want. Okay. But I do think I'm going to add a good bit. Try not to get it on my desk. I'm sitting here at my work from home desk. Well, it's like it's not for my job. It's just the desk I use. Half of it is my work from home side, and then this side is my makeup side. Okay, I'm trying to make sure you can see what I'm doing. Okay, that was not a lot of product, so I'm gonna go back in, add some more in a minute. I'm just concentrating it towards the ends where I know it's pre-lightened. And then if some of it creeps up towards the brown part, I don't mind that. I like this kind of like, how do you say it, balayage? I don't know if that's how you say it, but I'm leaning into the grown out blonde. I have a mirror here I'm looking at, if you wonder why I'm not looking at the camera. So far, it's looking a lot more pigmented this first go around with just an application. Okay, because the last time, y'all gotta see that video, it was, whew, it was like nothing was happening. Okay, so I'm going to try to press it in. And I've noticed that Manic Panic really is pretty semi-permanent, so I think I don't wash my hair every week. I mean, oh my gosh, I don't wash my hair every day, but I do a couple times a week, maybe 2 or 3 times a week. So I normally get half a, I don't know. I mean, I did it in October, and then I redid my hair again before my birthday. So maybe I get 2 weeks out of an application. So, you know, if you didn't want it in there that long, you could wash more frequently and it would come out. But I get about half a month before it starts really fading and like transitioning into lighter shades. But then I can just reapply. The amount of blonde I have, it's like plenty. I get so many reapplications from one bottle. I think I just got some on my freaking neck. I just barely touched it. Oh, I was like, why am I already done so fast? It's because half of my hair is still up. Yep, that's why I have a dedicated shirt for hair dye. Great. Okay, let's start with the side. I'm kind of sad. This is my pretty one. I shouldn't have used it for this. Ugh, I need a tissue. Okay, we're good. I saw a tissue, so just go ahead and take this one down too. Okay, we're Gucci. I don't know if that's cool to say anymore. Okay, I need the mirror. Sorry, y'all. I know I should be looking at the camera, but I gotta see the mirror. And again, if you're new here, I work from home, so if my hair looks crazy, I can just put it in a bun. I get to be pretty experimental. It's not, if it's embarrassing, it's not that big of a deal. But I just like having a nice little pop of color. Vivids are my favorite. And I do like how I can really customize it and do it myself, but I could also go have a professional do it. It's versatile. But like going blonde and having it look nice is something that I really feel like I can only do with a professional. Hey, that's applied. I think I'm happy. Let's see if I can bring it closer. This is definitely going to be more of what I was hoping for. This will not be pastel. This will be a true vivid. Yay. I'm excited. I'm gonna have Barbie hair. Or like Barbie hair in my mind. Let's see. I don't think I want to go all over the head. No, I shouldn't. No. Okay. I don't worry about this drying out too much because it's just gonna sit in my hair for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna go wash it out. So I'm not gonna put a cap on it. I'm just gonna let it sit here against my hair dye shirt. But I do think I'm gonna go take my gloves off now and clean my hair clips that I touched with my dye covered gloves. And I guess I'll see you when I'm done. Okay, BRB. Hello, guess who was just recording? Or who was talking? Guess who was talking without recording? Me. Literally was talking for like 2 minutes. Anyways, okay, so I've got it washed. I'm really happy with it. This is amazing. I've never had pink hair and I think pink is my color. Like, I thought green was my color, and I think at the end of this video I'll show you all of my hair so far. But pink might be my color. I like this a lot. That's cute. And let's see, I'll get you closer. Let's see. And I'll come back when it's dry. I don't know if I've said that yet, but I will come back when it's dry. Let me do 360. Hopefully my chair is not in the way too much. Oh, I just hit my knee on my desk. Okay, so yeah, I grew up brushing it a lot and straightening it with a straightener. I used to have that wet to straight straightener that my cousin gave me. Y'all know what I'm talking about, from the early 2000s, the wet to straight, that it like seared your hair when it was sopping wet. I'm pretty sure that's not how you were supposed to use it, but I took it very literal. I was like, wet hair, straightener, let's go. But I'm happy with this. Let me see if I can, okay, there. It's so fun. I love it. It's like little like confetti at the end of my hair. That's cute. Okay, but definitely happy with this hot pink. Oh gosh, there's dye on the outside. I just touched it. Gosh, whatever. I do have a little stain. No, I think I scrubbed it off in the shower. Okay, but this hot pink turned out much better than this cotton candy pink. I just remembered it's black light radioactive. I have to get the black light. Okay, we're back with the black light. It really is. That is so nice. Thanks for watching so far. Be sure to stay tuned. I'll give you another update for Sunday and maybe some chit chat tomorrow. Bye bye for now. Good morning. Today is Monday, January 22nd. I got up at 5:45-ish, like my alarms were going off at 5:30, and then I got out of the bed at 5:45, and now I'm dressed business casual up top for work this morning, and then I got my yoga pants on for comfort, and then I'm doing my laundry right now that I washed yesterday and dried yesterday, and then my goal today during work is to have my bedding washing and drying during, like, I'll change it during my breaks, and then hopefully gonna cook dinner at the house today because we went a little crazy. We had takeout 3 days in a row. Thursday we had Little Caesars, Friday we had Panda Express, and Saturday we had Jimmy John's. But we did cook last night. I made pasta, like spaghetti noodles, and with like pepperoni on them, like diced pepperoni, tomato sauce, like a fire roasted garlic pasta sauce. But here's what I did to the pasta that I don't think I've seen other people do before. Maybe they have, I don't know. But instead of just putting salt water, like of course I salted the water, right? But I also put the garlic powder and the Italian seasoning in the water and cooked the noodles that way so that they were like seasoned noodles, and just by themselves they were really good. And then you add the sauce to it, it makes it better. Then you add your little pepperoni pieces on it, even better. So it was like pizza inspired pasta, and I thought it was really good. Everybody else in the house ate it. I don't know if they loved it like I loved it, but it was pretty good. And then we took egg roll wrappers that we had left over from last week, and we baked them in the oven. This was my dad's idea. We baked them in the oven, and then we brushed them with salty, herby garlic butter. They were dangerously good, and like they're super crispy and like flavorful. And then we had a salad with it, so we diced up a head of romaine and had that just on the side, because like to me, when I'm having salad with my pasta, I don't need a dressing. I'll just eat the salad with the pasta. Is that weird? Do you do that? Well, it was enjoyable regardless. I don't know. Oh, we also tried the creamy last night for the first time. That thing is loud, but I think we're on the right track of figuring out how we like the creamy. We're gonna have to eat through what we've already made. We did pears, like a can of pears, and we froze that and then blended it up so it's like a pear sorbet, and that's interesting. Pears is a very bland fruit, so like having it in the creamy, just like blend it up, it's not that great. And then our second thing was applesauce, and that was also just okay in the creamy. But we did a can of peaches, and we did some almond milk yogurt in it, and that last night was really good. We blended it a couple times, and then my littlest brother was like, this is just not like sweet enough, like the peaches. I was like, I agree, like the flavor of the fruit kind of gets like dampened with it being frozen and then blended. So what he did was he put some just white sugar in there, and he blended it as a mix in. So the sugar wasn't dissolved, it was like sugar crystals, and then that made it taste like peach cobbler ice cream in the bowl. It was so good. But I've got some experimenting to do with the creamy, and I'm excited to try like a protein ice cream, like a homemade protein ice cream, like replacing Halo Top. I think that'll be good. But yeah, I'm gonna hop off of this like little vlog check-in and get my laundry done and get logged on to work. Okay, I'll see you soon.